Welcome to another test and teardown video. This time it's another Hartmann and Braun voltmeter amperemeter set. It's a really nice vintage set and it is in really good condition. I guess you could polish this to look like brand new. See, the glass is super shiny and the backlight is really good, and this is the old style round display. So I think it is from the 30s or 40s. This is like a really old set, and if you know exactly how old this is, please comment so we will find out exactly how old it is. We got some numbers down here. So maybe this is has something to do with aging or modeling or something like that. 2502145. Let's look in the other one. So this is the voltmeter. 2505145. So that is the same, right? So how accurate is this? So we got 300, so the meter reads 300. So that means the input here is 300, but you could also put it into 600. And again, that is funny. Now you need to divide. Why is it on focus? Come on. Okay, let's try and give it some 300 volts and see if it blows up, shall we? Oh, this is difficult with the light here. So I guess this is more or less about 100 volts. And this thing reads... What? I mean, how is that possible? Look at that. I would say this is 100 point a million gazillion, right? Look at that. Oh, now we wait a little bit. And it goes a little bit down, doesn't it? I mean, this is very accurate. So that is 100. Let's try and give it about 200. And again. Whoa. See? That is 300. But I believe there is a mechanical thing here that actually... Because I've done this a few times and I actually saw the needle kind of stick here a little bit. So that's 400. So that was 200. Okay, let's try and move. Now I need to think about what I'm doing here. Ooh, put this in the 600. Aha! So that is 200, right? So now it's divide by 2 kind of thing. So that was 200, 300, yes, 400, 500 is also accurate. And 6, okay, so this is 600. And then it gets a little bit low. So that is the thing with the voltmeter. And I think we should try and do the same with the amp meter. And then we'll open and see what is inside. Maybe we got some funny things in here. I guess this is only DC. I don't see any other. No, there is no funny way to do anything. This is definitely DC. Could have been practical to say. But I mean, if you don't write AC, it's gonna be DC, right? I'm actually really impressed about the quality about this. This is really nice. So that is 1 amp. And also I see this, so it's maybe supposed to be... What if I put it this way? See? Ooh, worse. So that's still... Now it is really 1 amp. And if I put it flat, it's a little bit, but this is definitely nice. So that's 1 amp. Let's try and give it, what else have we got? 0.7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, that's really nice. Let's give it some more amps, shall we? So this one is 6 amps. Okay, let's do that then. Man, can you hear this annoying sound? How the heck do I shut this annoying It's because it thinks this is a short circuit of something. Yes, it is, man. This is what I do. And this is 6 amps. 6 amps, 4 amps, 2 amps. Oh, lovely, lovely. Yeah, I heard you. Shut up now. Thank you. Alright, so that was almost accurate, right? So what's inside this thing? I don't know. What do you take of this? That will be the bottom screws. But have a look at that. Look what they did. They sealed one of the screws so they can prove somebody was in here. So that means I need to break the seal to get in there. And this is a little bit against my religion because they are really, really old antique instruments and they actually do measure really oopsie doopsie. They did measure nice and accurate. And if I break this seal, they will probably be worthless to one of the super crazy collectors. So that means no, I'm so sorry guys, but I don't want to do that because I want to be able to make some collector happy. He must be able to earn or to have those beautiful instruments and know that nobody was in there and poked around with the resistors and all that stuff. So that means I'm so sorry guys, but I cannot open them. That is not gonna happen.